podcast, Radio and Stuff.
Bringing you your favorite show as always. All we do is give you a good show. Welcome to a podcast, Radio and Stuff. We're back in studio and we're here to give you nothing but good content.
100%. Hello, everyone. Let's do this. I'm excited. Ntokozo namhlanje. I'm very, very excited. You know why I'm excited?
Why?
I thought you were never gonna ask. Because I love radio. I absolutely love radio. And majority of people that are watching right now love radio. And there's one thing that makes South Africans listen to radio more than any other thing. Do you know what that is?
What is it?
Music.
Yes.
Music is sitting at number one of things that South Africans tune into radio for. That's at number one. And that's why we are here to talk music, because you cannot talk radio without music. So that's what excites me. Just in case you want to know what else is in that list. At number 2, we've got news and information. Number 3, so and then number 4, entertainment, and number 5, just local connection. But at number 1, it is music. Let's talk music.
And it makes sense. And there's no better guest for us to be able to do that other than the guest that we brought into studio today. His name is DJ Flair. Welcome, Buti.
Welcome, my guy.
Hey.
Sizoxoxa ngomculo.
Hey, hayi.
Nomsakazo.
Yes. Ayasibangene.
Yeah. So DJ Flair is works for Ikakasi FM in KZN as a music compiler. He's one of those people that, musicians want to have coffee with. He's one of those people. About only they want to have coffee with this man because they think that their song might just make it to radio. And I tried singing and I regret that I tried. But I cannot imagine the feeling of hearing Ingoma Yako radio. And then more than that, he's also a DJ opindenje as Jablis.
Shuthi nje into ephathelene nomculo uyayithandela kuyona.
Standard.
Yeah. So maybe let's start with a little bit of background. Ngenxa yokuthi you are a person who works behind the scenes, abantu bangalizwa igama lithi DJ Flair mangabe liqhamuka lapha, but you work behind the scenes. So who is DJ Flair? The real DJ Flair. Mhlawumbe igama lakho nje oluphiwa abazali bakho ngoba yilela Flair.
Elokujabula lelo. No, usibusiswa kaMthembu. Ngokuzalwa nokukhula ngizalelwe endaweni yaseMgababa. Ngakhulela khona, and then indaba yomculo into engayithanda nje from ngisase angithi back even ngisamncane ngisasesikoleni umculo wangihlezi ngi-involved kuona because at some point ngiyakhumbula sise high school sasine group ekwaito. Yabo perform mhlambe makunomisi nani at some point kwakune group futhi ye hip hop, yabo, and I was part of leyo group. So izinto ezinomculo angihlezi ngi-involved makuthiwa naku kune choir ekhona esikoleni ngikhona nami ngi-involved ngiyaparticipate nani yabo. Kwa ukuthi ke mangifike evarsity ke ngafike ngazwana nabantu abakwebha amaplay kwa ukuthi ayi but ngiyayithanda lento yabo kodwa ngiyazi but ngifocus kulento engiyizele mina. And then but nabo bayesho bethi but uhlezi unomculo omnandi wena uhlezi unengoma ezintsha but awusiyena uDJ kwenzeka kanjani yabo lento le ukuthi hayi ngiyawcollect music because ngiyawuthanda yabo. So yabona ukuthi lento yokucompile ngayiqala vele before I knew ukuthi context we compiling because back then we didn't know ukuthi kunomuntu ekuthiwa ucompiler. Sazi ukuthi mangabe kudlala ingoma ku radio mhlambe kufika umsakazi ne USB yakhe or ne CD or whatever. So mangabe ingoma imnandi ku radio sithi nayi umsakazi uyayidedela ingoma yabo. Noma uthi ufuna ukuyoyincengela ukuthi mhlambe akudlalwa ingoma ethile wazi ukuthi hayi ngizoyicela kumsakazi uyena ozovesana press play wherever bese iyadlala yabo. And then ngase ngena kwizinto ze music production iki aqala ngaproduce zami ingoma and that's when sekuqala manje ukuthi sekune demand ye radio because the time usuproduceile usufuna ukuthi umculo wakho uzwe abantu angithi and then uzowenza njani uzohamba uyosubmit ku radio yabo that's when usuyaqala ke manje uyavuleka amehlo ukuthi kahle kahle awudili nomsakazi udila nomuntu osebenza behind the scenes music compiler. There's someone who actually sources music for ama radio stations awulode kwisystem and then umsakazi afike konke sekukhona nani and wenza sure ukuthi whatever music odlalayo uhambisana nesound yaleso stage yabo that's when uqala uvuleka amehlo nani but at the same time because when unale passion yokuthi ufuna music udlala you end up saying izinto enjengokuthi asithi mhlawumbe submit ingoma and then ingadlala and then you think usibani manje uthi akancane
yes
bani akagcwali and you don't know ukuthi iprocess ngaphakathi ithini yabo le nto leyo so izona zonke lezo zinto I've always been involved ku music nani and ngenhlanhla ngigcine ngila and ngiyajabula ukuthi sinama platforms anje whereby we can open amehlo to amanye ama artists akhona ngaphandle bazi ukuthi kunama processes akhona khamba kanjani especially because ama artists esikhathini samanje ayimele yabo yes.
So you mentioned in your journey ukuthi lapha eMgababa naqala iKwaito group ubufunda kuphi noMgababa?
Ngangifunda esikoleni ekuthiwa iseZibeni.
Yes,
okay. Zibeni it's somewhere between khona eMgababa naseMagabheni indawo ethu iseHlanzini.
Yes. Then naqala ke le iKwaito group. So manje u end up u DJ ngoba wabona ukuthi vocally there is a problem.
No, iKwaito angithi vela ayidingi ukuthi uzube nswempu ngevocal yabo. Ifuna because kufana ukuthi uya rapper phela kweKwaito.
Okay.
So nje we just enjoying ourselves ubusha bethu sisesikoleni and njoba ngisho ukuthi anything eno music phakathi mina ngihlezi ngi-involved. Makubanga umsindo eclassini siphethe amarula, shy desk kushawa ama beats lapho ngikhona nami lapho yabo. So anything eno music kwakwazi ukuthi ngizohlezi ngikhona. I think vele le back your music into ayihlezi khona but ngingayinakile yabo hence why I was always drawn to la kunomculo ngakhona.
Now who are the key people there that you met in your journey Oti? Now these are the key people abangenza ngaba nalento ekuthiwa self discovery ngazibona ukuthi okay now this is what I want to do.
Okay, one of the guys engamenshina u DJ Housing Howard Dwando wase Lindelani. So that guy eVarsity mangifika angithi uyazi ukuthi mangabe ufika mfethe eVarsity ecampusini there are those cool guys yabo lento le yena he was a DJ top DJ udlala ema clubbing kwakusakho no Plush back then.
Yeah.
So udlala eclubini ePlush njalo ngama tastes bayahamba and siyibukela kude into siyahala ukuthi first DJ Housing uyahamba uyodlala ePlush nani mangabe kukhona ama DJ competitions ecampusini ahleze win oyena yabo makukhona umculo omusha ophumile siwuzwa ngaye kuqala yabo so nje unama connections nani and ngihlezi imbukela from a distance yabo ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi sagcina sisondeleneke sazwana kanjalo and then there's another one ekuthiwa uNkululeko sasimbiza ngoElvovo so ungagesa ukuthi why nickname yakhe kwakuElvovo so ngasiqagelele ukuthi why kwakuElvovo but yena waye so sase UKZN Westville campus yena waye a deputy station manager so ukhiye wase campusini ohlala kuyena
and station manager of
campus radio yes okay. Angithi operator until u6 mangaba ama students sengasekho then I operate ebusuku
sure.
So ukhiye wakhona ohlala kuyena sasihlala RSA1 same floor sewomakhelwane so ngesikhathi sama exams mangabe sekhathele ukufunda bese eyahamba athi ayo practice ku DJ yakho kunama CDJs ngaphakathi lapha ebusuku then angi-invite mfethu asihambeni sithi shwi lapha yabo hayi sithi shwi ngifike ngihlale lapha kuvumelekile umuntu ongasebenzi khona ukuthi abe ngaphakathi ngene ngokutshontsha.
Which radio station is this? DT?
No UKZN.
UKZN
yes, okay. Westville campus. Okay. So angi-invite mfethu out asingene mfethu lapha sham ngibukele shama plate angikwazi phela mina I practice namanye ama out and then mase bekhathele bethi awungene mfethu wena uhlezi udlala ingoma ezimnandi lapha nosibangela umsindo lapha endlini yakawu ngithi mina angikwazi why uzonza lento kade usibona siyenza ayingene ngishamashi but ibe mnandi ngizwa imnandi lento yabo even though ngiyabheda but imnandi lento ngakusasa futhi mase behamba useniyahamba ningishiyelani namhlanje kuthiwa hayi woza sambe hayi bafike bashaya ngilinda leso sikhathi ukuthi mase bekhathele ngingene nami yabo kwaqala kwajwayeleka ngiyakhumbula nje shout out to I don't know if niyamazi uChaos. There's a guy called uChaos, I think udila ne sound manje. He was a top DJ back then. Uyena ko waye station manager. Kwakuyena owengaphezulu kwa L4. Yes, we campus radio, yes. Okay. So this other time wangena kuyimina okumadex. Already nje sekuphula umthetho lapho. Ungena nje ngibhizi ngiyachofa lapha. Eyasho uthi hey madoda, nenza njani manje valani ayivumelekile because kuzofa izinto la and lo muntu akasebenzi la ekhaya. Yabo. But he's a great friend of mine manje sesiyazwana kakhulu. So kwaqala kanjalo and then mase ngiqala sengiyithanda ngaqala nami ngacollecta ngathi uthi ngiqoqa ama CD yami nami njalo makiwa khona phatha ama CD yami and then kwaqala kwaba nama events ase campusini ngicela ukudlala event mhlambe i-rest party iqala ngo 6 ngithi mina ngicela ukudlala ngo 5 bengafiki mase nichumile nje isound ngicela ukudlala nami hayi ngidlale ngijabulela lokho akho umuntu ku empty hall ngidlale but lokho nje ukuthi ngiyadlala hayi ngidlale yabo lonto and then wona ama out lawo engizwana nawo makukhona mhlambe la bedlala khona ngicela ngithi abafethu ucela ngifakisa noma ingoma eyodwa yabo iyona ndlela engangisondeza ngayo ku music and ngiyabonga ukuthi abazange bangixwaye ba understand ukuthi kushuthi uthando lalento unalo lo muntu yabo abanye phela banawo ukuthi baxwaye bathi hayi ba gatekeep ubalona inini hayi into yethu le but bona bazange bangixwaye bangibeke eduzane saqhubeka sakhuphuka ngaze ngafika la ngikhona and masihlangana manje bayathi ukuthi hayi bafethu wena waqala phambi kwethu ususebenza koGagasi usu music compiler usu DJ sikubona ama poster amakhulu nani yabo bona baqhubeka with imisebenzi ababeyifundele mina ngilala ngikhona manje.
Nice. Wawufunda wawenzani eUKZN?
Ngangenza igeology.
Oh okay, waqeda igeology.
Angiqedanga ya kwasekusela unyawo wodwa. Kwakhona ixaxa ke zingiphazamisayo ngagcina ngaqedanga.
So when are you going back to finish?
Uqala phansi ngiyofunda manje ngidala manje mhlawumbe sengamane ngiqale enye ikhozo okungcono eseceleni
liyana ongayithandi
sengaphuma kuyona
yini
geology mfethu study samatshe sebenzisa amatshe ukunderstand umhlaba evolution kwenzakalani nani yabo.
So okay mina ngizobuza ngesidala. So ngabe usuqedile uzobizwa
nge-geologist.
Okay, wenzani umuntu oyi-geologist?
Geologist.
So as a geologist mfethu ungaspana emayini. So yabona njengoba emayini bembe igolide or i-diamond or whatever. Angithi abafuna ukumba yonke inhlabathi ekhona. Bafuna ukumba le slab lesi esinalento abayidingayo because kuyakhosta phela ukuhamba. So udinga umuntu oyi-geologist ukuthi angene phansi qala enze imap yokuthi le slab enisifunayo sihamba kanjani sijikaphi nani so that labantu abangaphansi mabemba bazobe sebeyazi ukuthi okay masifika la siyajika siyangaka left ukuze bahambe nale portion le abayidingayo kuphela.
No, usayisho tell ukuthi this is something for smart people.
Yeah, ne.
And now I'm asking myself, then you become a DJ.
But ukuba smart mfethu akusho ukuthi uzoba smart bese mhlawumbe unamathela kuma numbers or wherever. Ukuba smart ungaba smart nje and do whatever but ube smart kuleyo field okuyona. Yabo as long kuyavela the more you prosper kule field okuyona it shows ukuthi there's intelligence ekhona.
Wonke ama industry abadinga abantu abasmart
noma ikuphi yonke indawo nalala sikhona sabadinga abantu abasmart.
Now let's talk music compilation ukuba music compiler. For sichazele kube ngathi siyingane za grade R.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthini ukuba music compiler?
So a music compiler basically is someone in charge of umculo odlalayo ku radio station.
Okay.
Uyawusource from wherever my sources are corner, whether it's my record labels or from my artists directly, and then uload the system so that radio station izokwazi ukuthi ibe nawo lo mculo and then bese uyaschedule umculo ozodlala kuma shows
Okay.
So we are responsible for konke lokho wena yabo as a music compiler. So umculo nje ozwayo odlalayo kuma radio station ulodwa music compiler. And then there's also amanye ama elements amancane ayi audio nawo akufanele lodwa ku system. Izinto nje ukuthi asithi show ine mix but i-mix is pre-recorded. It's not a live mix. So that mix ukuze idlale ku system uyayiloada wena. There's also imaging involved on the show on the radio station. Leyo imaging ilodo bani ilodo wena yabo. So izinto ezi audio ekufanele zibe ku system zilodo wena as a music compiler.
Umuntu obukayo ofisa ukuba music compiler noma uyitshela ukuthi ngaba music compiler, imapha ama skills odinga ukuba nawo ukuze ukwazi ukuba music compiler, and into engakwazi ukuhamba ngifike ngiyifundele esikoleni ukuthi ngithi ngiyofundela ukuba music compiler.
So lento ye music yokuba music compiler, there's no course a direct ongathi uyoyifunda ufundela ukuba music compiler, because into edinga skill uqinisile mawubeka kanjalo, edinga skill. Kufanele ube ne passion yomculo more than anything. You need to have a passion yomculo, because iskill naso uzofika usifunde phambili ukuthi iprogram isetshenzwa kanjani nani, but you need to be someone on a passion yomculo oba ne excitement mangabe uzwa ingoma entsha.
Sure.
Ukuthi yabona this is going to be a hit. Kufanele kube na something ekuthinta ngaphakathi yabo. So iyayihambelane kahle impela mangabe u DJ, because no DJ they get very excited mangabe kunama exclusive.
Yes.
Abawatholile ukuthi hey usibani uyakhipha in the next 2 weeks, but mina senginayo yabo sene exclusive. So it's the same thing as a music compiler ukuthi you always looking out for what is new out there yabo, abantu bafunani and ngizobanikeza. And njoba dusho ukuthi abantu isikhathi esiningi they come to radio for music, and sekuthanda ukuba tricky manje because seziningi indawo zoku access music.
Sure.
People can stream,
yes.
People can do whatever ukuze bawuthole music. They don't really need the radio, so you need to stand out ngempela kahle kahle yabo. So ngingabeka kanjalo ngithi you need to have uthando lomculo more than anything, and be someone who pays attention to detail. Yabo, because when you compile, obviously kulula ukuthi wenza ama mistakes because udila nezinto eziningi. Wonke ama shows akhona enziwa wena, so kulula ukuthi wenza ama mistakes. So ufanele ube umuntu ocophelelayo, onakekelayo, but at the same time understand ukuthi njengoba ulapha udila nomculo we stage, it's not about ukuthi wena uthandani. It's about what works for the station. Kunengoma engathi mayingena uthi hey imnandi le ngoma le, kodwa it doesn't sound like Gagas.
Sure.
Yabo lonto. So that's the first question esasiyibuza yona thina masilaleli ngoma uthi is it Gagas material? Yabo lonto leyo. If it's not, then it doesn't work. Whether uyayithanda noma uyithanda. Kunengoma ezidlalayo engayithandi mina.
Personally.
Personally ngithi mina ngeke le ngoma yayi angiyithandi mina. Kodwa based on research i-hit out there, and ezinye zize zibe ko top 10 engomeni zokuhlukanisa unya, but awuyithandi. Zibe nama dance challenge bayidansela abantu uthi uyafika ekhaya nazi ingane ziyayidansela le ngoma, and you like yini emnandi lana yabo. I understand, but ekugcineni kosuku this is what people want. And when as a compiler you need to understand ukuthi uzoserve abantu. So that's all we do thina, we give abantu good music.
How difficult is that? How difficult is it to separate ama emotions wakho and your feelings nomsebenzi? Ngoba umculo is emotive. So kuba objective kunzima. You know, because there's a lot of subjectivity ukuthi, you know, ingoma emnandi or yimbi, it depends wena ilalela.
Yes.
So yino yenzayo ukuze ungabi too involved and ungafaki nama emotions ukuthi ngoba nakho mina I'm a huge fan ga Zinqumalo, therefore ingoma kaZinqumalo zizoba khona kuyona yonke show. So how do you work around that?
Okay, so into esiyenzayo kuma radio station, sisebenza nge-research kakhulu.
Okay.
Yabo. I-research iyona esisizayo ukuthi si-understand ukuthi ithini appeal yomlaleli. Umlaleli ufunani kahle kahle. So asithi for instance kune genre entsha efikayo. and we are on the fence ukuthi le genre le asikaze sidlale genre kanje, but siyabona out there ukuthi ngathi iyakhuphuka but asikho sure ukuthi umlaleli wethu uyayamkela yini. Yabo. Then we have to do research. We have to conduct some surveys. So send it out there and ask umlaleli wethu ukuthi ithini appeal yakho ngalama genre. Yabo. If ethi yena umlaleli bafethu mina ngiyifeeling sagrand ngalento enidlala. So qhubeka sidlala into esiyidlala. And if futhi mayithi umlaleli iyahit ngiyayithanda, then kuzomela sidlale, yabo. So sinaleyo nto yokuthi we play what the listener wants ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Sure.
Simlapho ukuthi into esidlalayo into efuna umlaleli, akuyonto efunwa imina. Into efunwa umlaleli ngaso sonke isikhathi. So yona ndlela esisebenzisayo ukuthi siseparate ukuthi sibeke umlaleli phambili ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yabona into iwona key kuyona yonke into esenzayo.
Yeah, I think songena khona njengamanje ukuthi ama radio stations choose kanjani ukuthi yipi ngoba bazoyidlala yipi abangeke bayidlale. Usuku angena khona, but I think songena khona a little bit more deeper. I just have a question kulokhu ukuba music compiler.
Yeah.
I'm interested in your KPIs. Ma music compiler kumejurishwa kanjani ukuthi wenza kahle noma wenza kabi emsebenzini. So what are the set KPIs to say ukuze ube successful nazi izinto odinga ukuzenza?
Okay, number 1 into ebalekile ukuthi build ama relationships with the labels.
Okay.
Because iyona source yakho music leyo. If une relationship right with ama labels, istage kwasona sisonke siyakwazi ukufunctiona kangcono. But ukhiye uwena as a compiler, because the first person abazomcontacta at the station ama labels is the music compiler. Yabo. So once naphathana kahle kulula ukuthi uproducer we show athi hawuyazi kunengoma kaSibanibani esidlalayo sifuna ukum-interview. Yabo. And then bese beza kuwena bathi kusesi ngamthola kanjani lo, angithi senginobudlelwane sengiyakwazi ukuthi ngithi ngimthinte ngithi kusesi bafuna uku-interviewa la kwi-drive bese bethi hayi khulileka yabo kumnandi, or we have some sort of an activation ekhona mhlambe kune CSI esiyenzayo siye ekhaya leingane leintandane or senzane ze stage, and then bese sithi awuyazi uSibanibani besicela ukuthi simzame bandla siza ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi asiphelezele. Yabo lonto le because of that relationship. But if a relationship ngingayakhanga mina with the labels, akwazi ukuthi nalabo abanye abakhona ngisebenza nabo babe ne-access rights to those people, because as soon as you pick up the phone and you call the label and say guys ngicela uku-interview uSibanibani, bazothi awu laba ukhompila walapha ngathi ayitshela kanje, or ngathi ukhompila walapha engasiphathi kahle, and then bese beyachitha. Yabo, you ask for a favor bakuchithe nana. There's a lot of things ezenziwa istage with the record labels and the artists themselves besides just do music. But ukhiye ulapha ekutheni you must build that relationship. So that's the first thing.
Okay.
How's your relationship with ama labels?
Okay.
Yabo. And kulula phela ukuthi mangabe ungenzi kahle bakureport kubaphatha abaphezulu ukuthi kuseyazi yadelela le yangane.
Yeah.
So that's going to affect your KPA. That's number 1.
Sure.
Number 2, kuyacheckwa ukuthi standard so music isikanjani. I-feedback uzoyithola from the listeners ngaso sonke isikhathi. And into emnandi ama listeners manje, they are very vocal because sekunama platforms, kuno social media, kunani. They can easily go to inbox stage, or they can go to even the comment section and say wazwabheda umculo enudlalayo. Yabo lonto leyo. So awukwazi ukucasha wenze into bese uthi hayi ngeke baze banake. Ama listeners, they are very vocal.
Yeah.
They are very active. They will say ukuthi wazwamnandi umculo odlala eGagasini, or they will say ayiwazwabheda umculo enudlala namhlanje. Yabo. So naloko equality of music odlalayo nako kuzo affecta your KPA.
Okay.
That's one of the things. And then bese kuba ukuyiphatha ke mfethu semsebenzini.
Sure.
Yabo zonke mfethu semsebenzini, even kwawendlela how you carry yourself, how you collaborate with amanye ama departments, because nathi as a department of music sisebenzisana no programming, siyasebenzisana no marketing. Yabo lonto le. So how i-collaboration yakho with other departments ihamba kanjani? Are you able to collaborate or we island laphana wedwa kungenwa lapha kwena? Because kwazi ukuthi uvalile laphana wena ngoba wazi ukuthi uphethe music. Yabo. So konke naloko it counts. Ziningi zona izinto but mangikuhlephulela nje those 3 zibalekile nazo.
Sure.
Okay. So now now mina sengiqashwe kwiGagasi, right? Senginikeziwe ishow. Show yami le ngizokhetha nje ngamabomu ngisikele kwelinonini. I-breakfast show yami ngizobela ekseni, right? Ngisikela kwelinonini.
Awumahlasi.
Ngizobela ekseni. So njengoba sengibiziwe ke la ngizokwenza i-breakfast show yami ngizobela ekseni.
Yes.
What should I expect? Ngisuka ku-community radio, mina bengizenzela. Ngifika ne-USB yami from home.
Oh, yes.
Because in some setup, that does happen. So, every song that is going to be playlisted is from the music compiler. Do I have a say in some of the songs that I want, which are in line with the radio station's sound? And so just take me through a show prep from the side of a music compiler.
Okay. Yeah. So into yokuqala ozoyenza ngithi mawufika at the station, you're gonna have to pitch a show to the programs manager. Bese niyasebenzisana to build the structure of the show. Okay, these are the features azoba khona on the show. Yabo. There can be ama features where there's gonna be music requests. There can be features where there's gonna be ama mix. Whatever envumelana ngakho yabo lento uthi okay, this is the structure of the show. Sharp, that's number 1. And then number 2, ka commercial isikhathi esiningi mawufika uzofica music usokhona, because sizama ukubalekela lento yokuthi wena as umsakazi uzofuna ukudlala into ethandwa wena, which doesn't necessarily resonate with umlaleli. Yabo lonto leyo. So to avoid lokho, let's play music otestiwe or researchiwe waphasisa umlaleli ukuthi nansi into engifuna ukuyizwa, yabo. Leyo nto izosiza even if ngathiwa mhlambe wena zomsakaza wenzi kahle, but at least siya compensate ngala komculo. Uzosala sehlala sethi hey, at least umculo umnandiki. Uzosala sengibekezela ukuthi ishow yakhiphele kungenele landela ngoba at least umculo umnandiki, yabo lonto leyo. Akuthi noma okunye engahambi kahle, ama features engahambi kahle, but akuba ukuthi umculo awungenze ngihlaleke, yabo. That's more important. Kodwa asikuvaleli phela ukuthi ufike uzothi hey ngine mhlambe let's say ngo 7:20 ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoTyler uachievile unominatiwe kuma Grammy again.
Sure.
So I would like to speak about uTyler. Ngicela ungifakele ingoma kaTyler 8 ngesikhathi sokuthi with pleasure.
Sure.
But if you come and say, hey, cela ungifakele ingoma ka Barry White at this time, then I can object and say, but it doesn't align with the station format. We do not play Barry White because our feet we structure it's a stage. So I can object to that and say, hey, mnganami, yabo lonto leyo. Asibonisaneni lapho ukuthi umlaleli yena asimchithi yini. Umuntu ona 24 uthini makudlala uBarry White, ngeke yena sishintshe istage athi ayini manje ledlala eGagasini. And once washintsha istage wathi uthi ngiyolalela kwenye indawo kwenzakalani, kunzima ukuthi abuye ngoba uzothi uyafika ngale kufike kuhlaleke. So inhloso ukuthi akahlale la.
I get it.
Akahlale la, yes.
So let us make an example. Let us say ishow yami yonke idlala ingoma ezu 25.
Yeah.
So you would put together for me 30 songs and then I will select whatever I can play from there, or even the order of the songs, the way I play them, it is according to how you have lined them up.
Yonke into uzoyifica sikhona.
So ingoma nje ngizoqala ngayo ishow
izobe ifakwe yimi.
Okay.
Injengoba injalo kuze kube ingoma yokugcina.
Kuze kube yokugcina.
Yes.
Oh, all right. So if ngikwi-mood yokuthi bengifisa ungena ngomakoya bearings uDJ Tira.
Yeah.
Namada Babes.
Yeah.
And then ayazi nale link engqondweni yakho. I'm being a typical msakazi.
Yes.
Ayazi nale link ukuthi bengizothi mangena ngithini.
Yes.
But then when on the other hands you have Zinxumalo. I have to go for that.
Angithi ke ngeke ngakhuluma ngendaba collaboration. Now you have something prepped. That is a different story now. You have something prepped. Edinga ingoma for that. That's when you come and speak to me and say, listen, there's a content piece engifuna ukuyenza la. Or this is how I want to start my show. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungifakele ingoma ekanje, yabona. As long as it aligns with the station, I don't think I'll have a problem. The problem yami is when you start requesting something that is outside of your format. Or you requesting for the sake of requesting music, because njoba kade ngisho ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku sibalekela lento yokuthi igcine ishow isisounda njengawo sekuwena sokuthi kudlalelwa wena, you are enjoying use studio ya dance because these songs ezakho lezi ngoma in my times, kodwa umlaleli usumlahlile.
I get
umlaleli is like yini manje le dlala akusilona igaka. Yazi one thing about umlaleli we radio station, especially abesibabiza ngama P1s, okuyibona bathi we always tuning into the stage, abaloyali noma ngashintsha abasakazi kangaki bazohlezi bekhona. They understand the sound yabo. They know what they want. Yeke uzuba trick. Like those are people abakwazi ukuthi mangabe a browser through idash ezwe ngomculo ukuthi ngikilende kwegagas manje, yes, without hearing imaging, without hearing ukuthi uba nosakaza. As soon as ezingoma athi hayi ke nali gagas leli, yabo. So those people, you can't trick them. You need to make sure ukuthi isound is stage, how the station sounds. Ngikhuluma ngengoma, ngikhuluma how the station sounds overall. It needs to be uniform.
Now, there are radio DJs whose brands are built around music, right? The likes of your Wilson Bingosi, Colin Zondo, on Ikakasi. So they are even invited to come and play kuma setup party. And their brands are just built around music. And when you hear a particular type of music, R&B, slow jam, you think of Colin Zondo. So when it comes to those types of presenters, how do you work around that? You know, because bao music themselves, ngowe brand asebeyakile. So, you know, how do you work around that? Do they have a say in the playlist, or nakubona, you know, ukuthi by R&B, you will just compile it for them?
So ama shows awafani. Kunama shows adlala into esibiza ngokuthi it's regular music, which is the main music odlala at the station. And then kube khona ama specialty shows adlala umculo othile. Yabona labo ba mentionile basebenza kuma specialty shows.
Okay.
That is why uzumculo inhlobo eyodwa yomculo kulawo ma shows lawo. Kangangoba even if ngathiwa uKholeni uyagula this weekend akekho, silanda uHlophe simfaka kule show, uzozwa the same kind of music, because it's not ukuthi sithatha uHlophe samletha la and then saletha konke nomculo wakhe sa importa yonke into. Cha, I-show is structured kanje. And those people obabalile, they sound like this because they've been on those shows for isikhathi eside. And those shows are specialty shows adlala R&B music. Hence why baze kuze kusound engazuthi I-show isounda njengaye awumboni kwenye indawo, because kade badlala bo Wilson B nje bathi uchaza nje, yabo. So those people njoba ngisho ukuthi ubabalile, but bonke benza ama specialty shows. But if you can move Wilson B uthi akahamba yowenza I-breakfast khona lapha ka Metro, he's not gonna go with bonke labo Marvin Gaye nabo bonke laba badlala lapha. He's gonna yes ngeke kuze kube show or sounds and stuff like that. Ngeke kubezwe lapha song of the day abekho lapha ku breakfast. Kuzomela afika gijime lapha ahambe noMakoya Berries, ahambe noZinxumalo. Ngiyaphoqa because it's the breakfast show.
Yeah. Sure.
Yabo lonto leyo. So your P1s are there. They are listening. They want to hear siku breakfast. And we are commuting. Emsebenzini, esikoleni, siyakuphi nani, siku rush hour. So this is what we want to hear. We don't want to hear Sunday music. Yabo. So he can't move to that show and thatha yonke le sound yakhe ayinayo lapha. So yes, the reason why njoba ngichazile, the reason why wena uba associated with that type of music is because they've been on those shows for the longest time. And bagcine sebe brandeke kanjalo yes khamisana nomculo wabo.
There's something you were not even at Igagasi at that time. You know, when Igagasi started, ngiyakhumbula kwawusukuze abalali besebeqala ukucomplain ukuthi they are repeating music owodwa yabo balilibe bephinda you were not even there at that time. But mina understanding commercial radio, it's something common among commercial stations.
That's true.
Ukuthi umculo othile ube kwi high rotation. You understand?
Yes.
And it's actually what makes you identify the station, because when you know kwezinye ikhathi kuneyikhathi la khona ubuzwa emamall wonke kune East Coast bekune ingoma egcina seyiziringe ekhanda ngoba uzazi from there. So the same thing with Igagasi. Why do commercial radio stations do le anto ye high rotation?
So imculo masuloda kwisystem suloda in categories. Aw float emoyeni ukuthi nje ingoma asibanibani ihamba lapha ingoma asibanibani siyawu group. So there's a group yabona nje mangichaza mhlambe ngestation ngisebenza kusona. There's an A category which is umculo o popular at the moment. Ingoma abantu abayithanda ingoma they don't mind ukuzizwa even 3 times or 4 times a day. Logo it's also based on the research ne. And khumbula ukuthi wena as umlaleli mhlambe iradio ilalela ekseni as you driving to work bese uyilalela ntambama. So ingoma mawukuthi let's say mhlambe isikhathi ospenda emgaqweni hour between 7 to 8 awuyizwanga le ngoma but uzoyizwa mhlambe ntambama masubuya. It's the first time uyizwa. Yabo. Whereas umuntu ohlele ekhaya who's just doing nothing and listening to radio kuyena kuzobe ngazuthi iya repeateka. But to someone who's commuting or ilalela ngaleso sikhashana uyezwa ukuthi ekseni nayi le ngoma engiyithanda yabo, even noma ngathiwa bungekho right uhluthukile enhlizweni uxabane nomphathi kwenzakalani but you're driving home and then the song comes in and you're like yes sukulami luzoba right yabo. So it's those songs abantu abathi once I hear this song I know ukuthi yonke into izoba right. Sisigroupa in the A categories. Those are your songs ezizoba on the highest rotation. And as last isikhathi eside kulo high rotation mhlambe kuba a couple of weeks, even a couple of months, because we do our surveys regularly yabo, maybe once or twice a month just to check ukuthi nisa right yini saniphethe kahle indlomculo. Those are your A categories. And then you have your B categories, which is the second highest rotation. Nazo futhi uzozizwa on a regular but not as high as A. Kodwa nazo zizobe ngathi ziya compete with the A category songs yabo. And then you have your new categories, or noma ngathi ama currents. If your currents, so A no B, and then your new songs, lies is khona mayifika zilendele khona qala uyigroupe khona uyibeke khona before isifaka high rotation. Then bese mangabe usuyidlalile under the new category, then you ask the listener ukuthi kuse le ngoma esakuphethe kahle, do you want to hear more of the song noma ususharp ngayo? If beyivotele low uyayithatha uyayikhipha uyilokuzana kuyi rotation. If beyivotele kakhulu bethi hayi mfethu siyayithanda le ngoma uyayinyusa rotation. So it's based on what the listener wants. That is why uzwa kukhona ingoma eziku high rotation and then uzwa kukhona ingoma ezingazuthi ziku normal rotation, because it's what the listener wants. Yabo. Yes, so senzela ukuthi angayigauge njoba ade ngichazela ukuthi thothulalela ekseni aphinda lalela ntambama. Mayigejile ekseni uzothola ntambama. Yes, ibalekile le ngoma kuyena.
Sure.
Right now this song iyadinga empilweni yakhe.
When it comes to mixes played by DJs in the studio, so some people would submit a mixtape. So do you listen to those mixtapes before they go on radio, or you don't have to?
So lo kuba umsebenzi wa technical producer.
Okay.
So what they do is they do quality control. They source the mixes from more DJ. My figure fane bayi check ukuthi quality yakhona right, and that's number 1. Number 2, they have to check ukuthi ayinawo inamazwi alumelayo, because uthothi mix a hip hop and then awona ama clean version. So konke naloko kufanele bakuchecke before ingene emoyeni. and then once it's done abanye baze ba-ede ngisho imaging kuyona imix bayi-edit bafake imaging so that umsakazi angabe ne-stress sokuthi ezidlala kancane kancane aphinde ahamba yodlala i-imaging ukukhumbuza umlaleli ukuthi yini lo ilalele because imagine uvula isiteshi and then uzu music uyadlala nje uyadlala but you don't know ukuthi what you're listening to uzukhohle ukuthi ayibonga ilaleli igagasi so you need i-imaging ezokukhumbuza ukuthi kahle kahle yini lo ilalele so sometimes izi-edwe ilokuzana i-edithwe imix kufakwe i-imaging in between just ukuthi that's where they take the opportunity ukuthi bawulalele imix ukuthi ayikho into efoul and then once everything is finalized sebe approve bona ku right then they send it to me ngiyithathe ngiyifake
so
the system.
I'm asking you ngezwe kune mix kaMaskandi right
yes
kwigagasi and now I know that according to me ngikhumbuli uMaskandi playlist within igagasi so can a mix provide an opportunity for you guys to gauge ukuthi abantu ba responda kanjani to this type of music?
So le Maskandi is intentional.
Okay.
Ngikusho lokhu because uMaskandi back then kwakwazi ukuthi isound iyale station lesesinye ngesibali ngegama isound yakhona isound yamabhinqa isound abantu abadala now we have the new digital Maskandi you know the or sound and afro pop manje whereby it has crossed over to ingane it has crossed over to emacampusini yabo oglam abantu abahle obungabalindele ukuthi yes even on TikTok uthi uyafika hayibo wamuhle umuntu ungathi akasazi isiZulu umpofu uphelele ungathi colored ucula uMaskandi
thanda ama yellow
yabo no cha ngizama ukupaintela ipicture ukuthi usuwele waze wafinyelela la besingayitshela ukuthi uyofinyelela khona yabo and awukwazi ukukuziba lokho yabo awukwazi ukukuziba lokho so obviously sesiyazi ukuthi ama listeners ethu they do listen to Maskandi bawulalela kakhulu yini that's another question
sure
yabo kodwa kona ukulalela bayawulalela because zikhona ingoma ezithi mangabe zidlala kuvuka uhlevana kubona yabo even kuma events ama events ebesingacabanga ukuthi uMaskandi ungangena kuona yabo but suyakwazi ukuthi mhlambe kuthiwa okay uthi sidedicate noma 30 minutes just ukushintsha umusic sidlala uMaskandi ubone kuchwaza yonke inkundla yabo and then we go back to whatever we've been playing kodwa lo 30 minutes uwenzile imoment abantu ba create content lapho and those videos are flying because kuthiwa nje kuno DJ ovele wangena nje wadlala uMaskandi ngalindele umuntu so asikwazi ukuziba uMaskandi so even kona lokwe mix it is to ukuthi sikuzwise nawe njengomlaleli ukuthi kuse siyazi ukuthi uyayithanda lento awuku enjoy nansi happy hour yabo it's more like a happy hour
sure
lesuke siyenze ukuthi sithi hayi fethu and then nawe angithi if ukuthi unayi interest usuyazi ukuthi every Tuesday ngo 5:05 kudlala imix yaMaskandi so let me tune in yabo it's not like uMaskandi uzowuzwa njalo especially uma umuntu ongawuthandi yabo it's not like uzowuzwa njalo uyazi ukuthi it's only for that period kuphela yabo but okwamanje if ulalela iplaylist yethu angithi uyezwa ukuthi uMaskandi in terms of ingoma awuzwa so that's the sound esahamba ngayo namhlanje ukuthi izoshintsha ke noma ngeke ishintshe yini kufanele uqhubeke ulalela istage
I thought you were giving us an exclusive
hayi qhubeka ulalela wena
we are reading between the lines
qhubeka nje ulalela
few follow-up questions on some of the things you've said ngicela ukubuyela la ingoma ezekwi high rotation
yes
ingoma ukuze ibe ku high rotation uthe kumele ithole response kubalaleli bayayithanda
yes a strong response yes
or medium I think you said the other one is high but not as high is not as high that as I can't remember but you graded it so my question is does it matter ukuthi ingoma yaphuma nini and I'll tell you why I'm asking the question there are stations ukuthi mangabe ulalele uzwe ukuthi uNelly noKelly dilemma bakwi season kule radio station ngoba alipheli usuku engangenanga. It might not be the highest rotation, but it's common. There's a song that I was thinking of, I think Nati, if I'm not mistaken. There's a song in Dadlana, but ngiyayizwa kwiGagasi quite frequent or often. I think Unati, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong. I can't remember who the artist is. But every time I hear the song, in my mind, I'm thinking, so this song is on high rotation, but it's an old song. So that, because generally I used to assume that ingoma go high rotation ngoba yintsha iyathandwa ihambi phele lesikhathi.
So ingoma ma high rotation kusuke kuyingoma entsha leyo.
Okay.
Akubi ingoma endala. Even ama categories lawa kade ngwabala ukuthi siyayigroupa.
Yes.
Even unyaka ephume ngawo, it also counts ukuthi ungena kiphi category.
Okay.
Yabo. Every year we review those categories. We do test us koni survey senza to OMT whereby we test all the music on the system.
Sure.
Or rotate high. Whether music omusha or music obdala, so test the wonke. And then ama results alapho from the listener azositshela ukuthi which songs are we keeping kwi system and which songs esizikiphayo ngeke sisadlala ngeke usazizwa and iziphi esizigcina. Now mase sizibuyisela ke back to rotation because sesiyithestile phela siyazigroupa but sisebenzisa unyaka. It's okay. From this year until this year, it's this category. From this year until this year, it's this category. From this year until this year, it's this category. So wonke ama currents, which is your A, your B, and your N's, ingoma ezintsha lezi isanda kuphuma. So ingoma ozoyizwa ku high rotation, it's always going to be ingoma elokuzana entsha. Now le oyibalayo wena othe kaNathi ngikho sure ukuthi yipi. Angikho sure.
I can't remember myself.
But isikhathi esiningi khona ingoma othola ukuthi indala and we category yengoma endala, but because awumningi umculo waleli artist okhona kwi system,
okay,
iyakwazi ukuthi ishine because the system nayo phela iya rotate, yabo. So mangabe ithola ithuba lokuthi isikhathi sokuthi ngiphike uzinxumalo manje izotomula uzinxumalo kade agcina ukudlala, yabo, and then iphinde iround, it's okay lo sengimdlalile kuzoqala ngidlale zonke laba abanye ozinxumalo until kuze kuphubuye iro yakhe lo ukuthi okay sekuyi10 yakhe futhi ukuthi ngiyibuyise le ngoma. But if you have an artist mhlawumbe waduma ngengoma eyi1 noma ezo2,
sure,
kulula ukuthi i10 yaleyo ngoma isheshe
ibuye,
yabo. It may not necessarily be or high rotation lo esikhuluma ngawo of the A's, B's and N's, but uzo mhlambe ngeke liphele isonto ungayizwanga simply because mighty system okay ngifuna ukupick up osibanibani izothi yafika how I only have 2 options even. Yabo le ngisanda kuyidlala sengikule maqeda ukudlala le ngibuyela kule, yabo. So kuyaye kube into kanjalo nokuthi mhlambe nawe itiming yakho ke maybe ujwayele
maybe showing ngilale ba shows engwalalela
ungenzeka ngaloko ya account.
Sure.
Yes.
Question on what you just said now.
Yeah.
I thought mhlambe wishilo nto mhlambe nganakile, but mina ngicabanga ukuthi for every show you drag and drop, create a folder, put it on the system. These are your songs for all shows. So now you're mentioning a system.
Shooting ngalale station. No, yabona njoba ade ngisho ukuthi siyaz group.
Yes.
So mase sis groupile, then when we build ama clocks,
yes,
ukuthi show im kanjani.
Yes.
Is gonna have mhlambe let's say from 0:00 until 20 past you'll have 4 songs in a row.
Yes.
And then go 20 past baya link. After link there's a spot block where you need to play ads. After your ads there's a 4-song sweep. Ngenza isibonelo 4-song sweep from 20 past until 22. And then from 22 until 10:02 there's a spot block with 10:02 baya link. After yona there's 2 songs odlala until 0:00. Now kuleso structure mina into engiyenza uma ngibuild ama clocks ngibuilda in terms of categories.
Okay.
I'm gonna need an old song. I'm gonna mhlambe let's say the first one is gonna be a power song, which is a song ego high rotation, a strong current. So I'll put an A mhlambe, and then after that ngitha because radio it takes you on a journey. Akufani nok DJ whereby isethi mhlambe uyiqala phansi ukhuphuke nayo and then sigcwele dance floor no those people are about DJs laba abakuloko yes kona uyaba DJela in a way but awukho ku dance floor yabo so you need to accommodate omncane accommodate omdala accommodate uthanda R&B accommodate uthanda Afro pop accommodate weqomo accommodate amapiano so everybody needs to be accommodating ngaleso sikhathi so bathatha on a journey qala ngengoma mhlambe a strong current put your song ku A phezulu after that ubalande ngengoma ethe kubandadlana you go into your recurrence or your power category donse mhlambe in your P and then after that ubuye mhlambe ngenye current even though ingekho necessarily ku high rotation mhlambe udonse from the ends after that you go to an oldie again donse ngoma ethe ubanda so that kuzoba ne flow even the tempo it's not the same qala ngengoma fast mhlambe a dance uyabuya mhlambe yakwingoma Afro pop slow uyabuya mhlambe yakwingoma hip hop energetic uyabuya mhlambe yakwenye ingoma mhlambe R&B yabo kanjalo so that everyone is accommodated because udlalela abantu abaningi yabo lento leyo so that's the trick so when you build the clocks sifaka ama categories and then you schedule with system ukuthi okay schedule ke and then bese don't from these categories ithi pa ingoma ifaka sithi mhlambe for an hour isidonse sonke for an hour isifaka and then bese uhamba uyo check out okay system akukho yini la wenze khona i mistake ngoba phela umshini yabo aweke ngiyobheka ukuthi awukho yini la wenze khona i mistake then bese uyabuka ukuthi okay sharp it looks like a system la engifakele ingoma ze dance ezo2 zilandelana mina ngiprefer ukuthi kube khona ngiswaphe ngithathele ngibekela ngithathele yabo ususebenzisa art
yes
yabo there's art and there's the konje yini le nale gama libaleka mfethu yabo kodwa usebenzisa you use your own discretion as well whenever you're working so you understand ukuthi okay this is what I'm doing manje I need to accommodate everyone and there needs to be a flow there needs to be separation of ama tempos as well ngome fast ngome slow nani ngabe sekuba nje udufu ingoma zo3 zilandelana yabo lo othanda Afro pop usumchithile so yes system yenza kanjalo but we are build a clock behind the scenes and then mase uyibuildile then you select a system bese kufakela ingoma zona bese wena uyangena ku usuyothinta ke manually la kufanele uthinte khona here and there ukuthi okay sharp la I prefer ukuthi la kube kanje nayi la I prefer ukuthi kube kanje yabo lento leyo thinta here and there kodwa yona isuke sikufakelile
very nice
yabo kodwa ukuze singene kuma categories ziselect wena nokuthi ziphume futhi sikhishwa wena
sure
just to check something well kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi kuma commercial radio njengoba nje senginikiwe breakfast show uma ngilanda sekuyisikhathi se-advert iyangikhatha izikhulumele is that true
akhona ama radio stations I set up into kanjalo
okay
amanye awuzothola uswazi mfethu from program manager
okay
uzothola nje meeting after show kuthiwa ekuse kanti sithini Stalgard sala ekhaya ilink kanti kufanele ibe ngakanani yabona into le but if kuukuthi ubungozi bokuthi kwenziwe leyo nto ukuthi mangabe usulande kakhulu so bese siyakhatha isekutheni because ku radio udila izinto ezenzakala zenzeka in real time and you are dealing with people as well you have listener engagement what if there's a listener ovele wangena and into eni discussayo emoyeni vele ya interesting ngalendlela ukuthi kuyaphoqa ukuthi sometimes kuyaphoqa yabo nje ngizowenza example namhlanje eksena was listening yes ngiyalalela igagasi noma ngisebenza khona I was listening to breakfast show and they were doing something very beautiful whereby they were saying since we mental health month abantu ababodle ukuthi yini ingabaphethe kahle yabo just yes we will not be able to advise you nana because asona ama experts but sometimes you need someone who's just going to listen yabo so they must just come through and say and then this guy comes through athi ngikhuluma nje nani ngibhaka ehlathini ngiyagowa nazi inkinga enginazo wayibala wathi ngisho utshwala singiphuze abusangeni yabona ukuthi lo muntu awukwazi ukuthi umkhathe sekufanele umattende because you are dealing with real emotions lo muntu nje obethu upake ehlathini awumazi uphethini mhlambe khona isibhamu la eduze wakho ucabanga ukusiqeda mhlambe uphethe intambo ucabanga ukuyoyihenga so sekufanele umbuyise ke manje you have an opportunity yokuthi understand ukuthi njoba lo muntu efonile is crying for help so how do you cut that how do you cut that you do not cut that even if ngathiwa ubufuna ukuzwa mhlawumbe ubuplanile ukuthi sizothatha ama listeners mhlawumbe ama calls awu 3 noma u4 you end up sacrificing ukuthi asimdonse lo muntu ngeke kumele simbuyise because that one life esisavile we've made an impact emphakathini we've saved a life yabo and iradio should be about that it's about evoking emotion and izinto zenzeka in real time so you understand ukuthi udila nabantu
Sure.
dealing with real feelings so sometimes iyaphoqa sometimes ukugangayo komsakazi mayeganga programs manager ufana amthela uzwazi
but within your station you guys don't do that
not really no
Okay.
no as queens abasakazi bethu ba disciplined ngenhlanhla
all right then you mentioned your totally feedback from the audience itself
Yes.
so what methods are used I'm a listener Gagas so mhlambe siya react on socials do we get direct SMSs do we get direct WhatsApp just to understand what methods are used
okay ngicela ukuntroduce kwi modern radio
okay
number 1 ama compilers amanje they do more than just compiling music
Okay.
there's also other elements involved
Okay.
like for instance I position engikuyona mina don't call me a music compiler
okay
I'm a consumer insights and content coordinator
great
that's what I do
all right
so there's also the research parts ekhona involved ni build a community where you invite people to come and participate so that bezoba novo labo ku radio angazi noma ngiyekezwe yini ama promo kadlala moyeni whereby they invite you
So
come
you
and
can
join
join,
our
yes.
community yes come and join our
I've been
community
tempted to join.
yes come and join our community yabo come and abanye umuntu uzonga understand ukuthi I community yani lekhulunywa ngayo nana no ila efonini
Okay.
it's like bono Facebook inanan but it's a platform yegagas
Okay.
whereby everyone who's interested kwi radio especially Gagas FM and wants to have a say ekutheni what content should you guys focus on radioing inhloboni yomculo efanele udlale ibapha abasakazi sifisa ukubezwa bekhona la ekhaya ikuphi esihappy ngake ikuphi esingasekho happy ngako nani njoba ade ngikutshela ukuthi ama listeners ethu they very opinionated so we've opened that platform ukuthi wozani ke manje sizoba umphakathi sizoba icommunity then thina sizobe sesibuza lembuzo ukuthi okay sharp kuzoqala isizini entsha i-breakfast show nisa happy ngayo if sishintsha ubani ofanele simshintshe ubani omela ahambe ubani engamela ahambe yabo if kuukuthi uSimanimani uyahamba ubani ningathanda ukuthi nimbone mhlambe someone from ngaphandle kuyimanje we have Usel Beyonce who has been testing high njalo mangabe sibuza ukuthi ubani umsakazo ongasebenze eGagasini but enibone ngazi ukuthi angafitha like and iniyafisa and Usel Beyonce was always coming number 1
wow
babona baphathi ukuthi yazi nasikwazi ukuyiziba lento because lo muntu ufunwa ama listeners ethu yabo so that's the impact eyenziwa umlaleli ngokuthi abe yiphathi yale community
Great.
so including nazo ke indaba zomculo we do these surveys every month we ask them these are our strong currents at the moment iziphi enifuna ukuzizwa on a high rotation eziphi eseni rights nalezi ezisakho high rotation namanje eseni rights esenifuna siyehlise rotation and then we implement according to our results esiwatholayo so we do surveys and we use this platform njoba dengisho ukuthi ayiyona imfihlo because uyayizwa iadvert emoyeni come and join SMS join and then thina sobe sesikusendela ilink and then mawuklikha leyo link izokuthatha ikufake uregister ube no profile njengawo nje Facebook uzothola nama rewards khona you get your airtime you get your data you get whatever abanye bathola ngisho merchandise yabo the more uparticipate you have to reward phela ama listeners because nabo bathatha isikhathi sabo basebenzisa idatha labo ukuthi bafake inputs ekutheni isiteshi sibe ngcono ukuthi yini esebenzayo manje yes
I get it
yes
lovely.
Sure.
Thank you
You have given us a crash course into modern radio.
Yes.
My guy, there's a question that Ntokozo asked you. I don't believe you answered the question.
Okay.
Ukubuze ukuthi abaculi abafana no Wilson B Nkosi no Colin Zondo music baya compilela yini. You did answer, but I didn't get a clear understanding. Ukuthi bayayifikela bayayichuzela yini umculo noma again bayacompilelwa nabo bafika usuready
bayacompilelwa nabo. Logo kwenziwa ukuthi ishow my design again it's based on expectation yomlaleli.
Okay.
So wena you would think ukuthi ilo umsakazi because usehlale kakhulu kuleyo show ngeke ngayichaza le nto leyo. Meaning in other words mangase kuthiwa next season aswapheni sithatha uColin simfaka kweBreakfast sithatha uHlophe simfaka ngalo shuthi usuzothi uHlophe is associated with Abo Wilson B nani because every time mawuzwa ishow yakhe ulalela ishow yakhe that's the type of music ozwayo. So ishow is not tailor-made for umsakazi. Kuya ngayo ishow ukuthi what kind of show are we doing? Are we doing a speciality show where it's going to be an R&B show? Na R&B esidlalayo iyiphi R&B efuna umlaleli wethu because our fan phela. Khona R&B that appeals to the audience endala, kukhona R&B yesimanje manje. Yabo. So konke logo it's structure esakhiwa based on what the listener wants and then umsakazi ufike afite into leyo system leyo.
Got it.
Yes.
And then there'll be songs that you think are beautiful. I'll give you an example. There's my favorite song right now. I was actually looking for it and I couldn't find it. Let me go to my Shazam. My favorite song right now, I don't believe it's playlisted at Kakas.
Okay.
Who's this? Buchelo Kieng.
Yes. AI.
Is it? It sounds AI though.
It is 100%. Everything, production, vocal, yonke into.
It's a beautiful song.
Yes.
Though. Absolutely love the song.
Yes.
But I've never heard it on Kakas. I've heard it on Metro. I've heard it on Umhlobo Wenene. I'm yet to hear it on Kakas.
Okay.
I'm not asking about that song.
Yeah.
My point is, how does a radio station determine which song will be playlisted in a radio station? Uchuza kanjani? Is it ukubabuza kuphela abantu or there is another method enisebenzisa? Because mina ngayilalela ngoma ngithi iyafana nengoma nje zikagasi yini ingekho le.
Okay. So i-station ne-station sinama processes zawo akhona alandelwayo until ingoma izibe playlisted. Thina esideni lethu we have a music committee. We hold our music committee meetings, which we have our music committee members that represent umlaleli. Yes, they are internal people, but i-profile yabo, it's someone ombonayo ukuthi uyayifit i-profile yomuntu or regular listener. Okay. Wekakas. So kuhlala kube i-round table kanje njoba sihleli. And then we play the songs. They don't know who's the artist. Unless mawuthi ingoma mhlambe siphumile ke you recognize, but they don't know who's the artist. They just hear what is playing and then they vote based on what they hear. Ukuthi okay, mina njoba ngiyilalele le ngoma as a Kakasi listener, not as someone osebenza eKakasini, is this something I would like to hear on the station? Nakhona mangiyilalela, do I mind ukuthi ngiyilalele every day? Noma ngeke izongicika mangilalela every day ngathi ngayilalela mhlambe on a Sunday it's giving me Sunday mood or it's giving me Saturday vibes groove kakhulu ngathi ngayilalela ngikwi-mood ye-party, or is it something mhlambe engifuna ukizwa lapho nalapho yabo, like it's based on that. So we have a music committee. Mina engikwenzayo as ukhompila ngiyazi abantu bacabanga ukuthi mina ofelisa ingoma zabantu anginjalo. Uthumela umusic ngiyawucollecta mina ngiuhambisa ku-music committee njalo ngama Thursdays. Hlala phansi music committee ilalela ingoma and they vote, and then after sebevotile kuthalishwa ama votes abo, and then bese kubuya ama results. Whichever songs ezithole ama majority votes or yes, they get to be playlisted. Ingoma ezithole majority or no, they are rejected. And then bese mina ngizifaka kwi-system based on ama results. And since I'm the one who has to communicate with the labels and the artists and give them the good news or the bad news, I end up becoming the bad person. Yabo, and it's the nature of a business. Ayikho into esingayenza because nangesikhathi sameza usubmit kumina, so nama sengimtshela mfethu ingoma yakhe ayisipananga, yabo, and then bese nga-understand ukuthi mfethu but iyadlala mhlambe kwi-stage esithile or bathena ngasekhaya inswempu lengoma nanani, but why? Bese ngiyasho ukuthi mfethu i-majority ye-music committee didn't feel ukuthi it's strong enough for a playlisting yethu. Yabo, so ezinye ingoma uthola ukuthi yes ayiphasanga kwi-music committee, ezinye uthola ukuthi ayizange submithwe nje enhlobo.
Okay, I think you're taking us exactly where I wanted us to go. Ayizange submithwe
enhlobo, yes.
So kanti wena awuhambi ufuna ingoma makuthi ingoma imnandi laphayana uyayizwa, awuhambi ufuke na uyifuna ingoma bese uyifaka kwi-system mele submit.
So we prefer ukuthi ingoma ibe submitted. Ngizokunikeza izathu zalokho. Number 1, quality purposes. Because if ngiyela ku YouTube ngiyodownload ingoma mina, already quality is going to be compromised. That's number 1. Number 2, i-radio edits ngizoyithola from the label or from the artist. Isikhathi esiningi mabe bekhipha ingoma bakhipha ama full edits.
Yes.
So ukuze uthole i-radio edit wena, because ayekho umuntu onesikhathi sokulalela ingoma ya 7 minutes. Ngidinga lo 3 minutes or 4 minutes lo ozo-edithwa umnikazi wengoma so that izosounda kamnandi, ingene kahle, yenze sense, uyizwe i-chorus kahle, and then bese fade out kahle futhi.
Sure.
So I need that. And also kunengoma ozothola ukuthi the clean edits engenazi inhlamba uzoyithola from umnikazi wengoma. Maungena online uzothola the dirty version, yabo, and we can't be playing that on air. And esinye sesizathu sokuthi as much as ingoma ikhona out there, even if ngathi uyahit emaclubini nani, but kungabi lula ukuthi ngivesane ngithi othi ngiyoyisosela mina bese ngiyayidlala, it's because angiyazi plan yakho as umculi or as a record label ngale ngoma. What if asenze isibonelo Ntokozo ukhipha i-album ne inengoma ezu-10. Iplan yakho was that this album has to sustain me for the next 12 months. Ne, so ukuze ngisustain I need to have a strategy esowenza abantu beloke bebuyela kwi-album yami beyi-stream. So mangabe ngiyikhipha i-album ngizoba samplishela ingoma yokuqala as a single yami.
Sure.
So le ngoma yona ngizoyisebenzisa ukuthi ingidonsele abantu ukuthi bayo stream i-album yami. Kusho kufanele ngiyipromote. I need to do PR around it. I need to do interviews, radio interviews. I need to shoot a music video. Ibonakala ku-TV. I need to submit it ku radio iswakale. So this is the song engiyiphushayo right now as a single from this album engiyikhiphile. 2 months down the line ingoma ipopularity ayisishone phansi. But usasalelwa ilo 10 months. Usafuna ukuqhubeka uphushe because you still need bookings, mhlawumbe usafuna ukwenza ne-tour, usafuna ukwenza izinto zakhe eseceleni zokuthi ukwazi ukuthi udle phela from this project. So you decide, let me sample another song from the same album, nayo futhi ngiyisample as an official single, ngishuthele i-music video, do a radio tour, ngisubmit ku radio nani. Now uyakhipha wena i-album Ntokozo, track number 2 wakho is your first project ozoyisampula as a lead single for the album. I listen to the album as a music compiler and I feel number 8 is strong. Ngiyawuthanda number 8. Ngiyawudonsa mina without imvume yakho, ngiyawuplaylist eredweni. Sharp kumnandi Kakasini kunengoma ethile edlalwa yibona bodwa. 3 months down the line, uNtokozo usefuna enye isingle azoyiphusha. Udonsa number 8 uNtokozo. Athi hayi ke nansi ke ngiyiphusha manje awusubmit eGagasini. Lithi Gagas sesayidlala sasisayikhipha ku rotation le. Uyabona ukuthi ama plans akho sengwahlipha izulu. Because now you need to do a radio tour. And the radio tour finality there's a single engiyiphushayo. How are you going to do that when that single Gagas elidlalile already and ayisekho ku rotation sesisayikhipha? Ngeke siyibuyise phela just because when uyayiphusha. Ama listeners aseyayazi aseyidlalile i-consumers aqeda ngayo. Yabo. So ukuze yonke into ibe aligned, we need to do what the label wants. If a label is submitted, it means when you are saying to us, this is what I'm pushing, guys. I'm giving you permission to play this. yabo.
I get you.
So nathi fanele sihambe ngalo ukuthi okay usinikeze ipermission ohamba ngalo. If thina sifile ngazuthi there's a song out there but thina sikakayitholi and it's hitting, I can pick up the phone and call ilabel and say ngibona uCasper lana bafethu ehitha lana estradini ko TikTok kwenzakalani. And then utholi surprise wena kade usitshela ukuthi hayi ingoma isikhona isiphileni bavele bathi yazi leyo ngoma ilikhile kahle kahle, it's not even the final version. It's not even the final version. It says the final version is salinda usibanibani afake iverse lakhe bese siyayimixa kahle siyamasterisha kahle. Now if you didn't pick up the phone and you decided ukuthi hayi vele le ngoma le ikhona ngiyadownloada ngiyayifaka, already usudlala iversion wrong.
Gotcha.
No, this is actually a beautiful master
No,
class.
it is.
I don't know how exposed you are to smaller radio stations. I would say that are not. But yeah, ubukhona laphana Westville,
Yeah,
UKZN.
yes.
You see, when many people who are still on community radio, campus radio, even sometimes online radio, are aspiring to be on commercial.
Yeah.
And I think this is important information because in some community radio stations, not all, you would find that umsakazi uzongena ku YouTube and play a song directly from YouTube. You understand? You know, it does happen.
It does. Even on online radio, it happens.
I don't know how exposed you are, but now you are giving us lessons about the dangers around that. You understand?
Yes.
Abanye abantu abangawanakile. You understand? You go to a community radio, untobeko wenza i-breakfast and udlala ingoma ethile kaZola in the morning. Mina ngena kwi-drive. You know, back in the days wakuletha ama-CD. Angisazoyidlala le ngoba untobeko useyidlalile. Mina sengizodlala u-track number 5. But uZola, there is a reason why ethe usapusha track number 3. So that is why I take it like a very good masterclass.
I agree. Beautiful. And I think another masterclass that I'm asking for. We do podcasts, Nantogos.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we get requests from musicians. Ngine singing mfethu ngipushayo, ngine singing mfethu engipusha. Which says a very podcast and mobuki podcast says so we do get that. So amajita ayapush.
Yeah.
So masithola lawo ma request mina Nantogos. I can only imagine ukuthi wena isimo sakho sinjani. So what do you say to amajita apushayo no sis abapushayo abafundisa music wabo ukuthi bake bawuzwe eradweni? Une experience usuyizwile izinto engekho ku quality ukuthi ngangena emsakazweni. Yini umuntu adinga ukuyenza nokuthi ayiqikelele ukuzenza isiqiniseko sokuthi umculo wakhe uyadlala emsakazweni?
Balekile umbuzo wakho kakhulu. Reason why ngisho njalo, it's because i-landscape yomculo isishintshile manje. Qala besithembela kuma record labels to actually submit to music. If ufuna ukukhipha ingoma, you had to be signed by i-label ethile because there's izinto ezenzekalayo ukuze uphume umculo wakho. You need to be published, you need to print ama-CDs, you need to do this, you need to do that. Manje sekulula, you can just submit to music wakho Africori or wherever and then bawukhiphe and then uyatholakala. Ama-artist enza ingoma namhlanje ngolesihlanu iyaphuma, yabo. So umculo omningi esuthola manje we get from ama-artists are independent. But we still have ama-artists who are very good with stuff sawo, but abazi ukuthi when it comes to lezi zinto zokusubmit ku music nani kwenzakalani because ubona akuyona profession yabo leyo. Label, there's other people who do that. There's the office labantu abenza PR and admin and whatever, and there's the office elenza labantu abenza into ethile nanan. But as an artist fanele uzenzele zonke lezi zinto lezi. So ila esigcina siclasha khona nama artist. Sengikhuluma nabo ke manje direct. Siyaclasha nje kakhulu because as soon as umuntu umtshela ukuthi ingoma yakhe ayiphasanga, they think ukuthi wena ungagcwali ngengoma. Kanti ayikho lento leyo. So ngithi mina number 1 let's shy away from submit to music using hardware. Ama-CDs, nama-USBs, nani, those things don't work anymore. Kunama-emails manje bakithi. You need to make sure that you uploading on yakho. It's either you attach a email or you can upload site la sikwazi ukudownloada khona maningi about data file host yabo banibani, and then bese usenda wena link to radio station. Make sure ukuthi umculo wakho registiwe, and njoba uregister umculo wakho senzela ukuthi wena ube protected njengomnikazi womculo, because asifuni ngelinye ilanga usuyabuya usuzosikhalela la ama royalties in yabo. So you need to be registered with lama body la uyiwona adila with ukumanage umculo wama artist nokusosa ama royalties abo Sambro, Sampra, blah 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 yabo, and then have a RISA code. I-RISA code ikusiza ekutheni ukwazi ukucheckeka kahle ingoma yakho, ngoba uzothola ukuthi uNtokozo wena ingoma ekuthiwa inguwe, there's another artist igama lakho uNtokozo unengoma ethi nguwe. So kulula ukuthi ama royalties zakho aye kumuntu wrong, but i-ISRC code, because it's a unique code, it's unique to you, iyona sothi masifaka kwi-system, then bese yasho ukuthi okay, this is the Ntokozo ekufanele allocate ama royalties zakhe yabo. So it's very important ukuthi as an artist, before ingoma uyisubmit, you register with these bodies, and then you submit kuma radio stations via email. Enye into ebalekile is to understand ukuthi not every radio station is going to playlist umculo wakho. Ama radio stations, they are allowed to use it discretion. In fact, they will use it discretion yabo to decide ukuthi le ngoma siya playlist noma siya playlisting, because njoba uyisubmit uzocompete with all the music that is being submitted and all the songs that are being played eradweni yabo. So wena ufanele uqikelele, and ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke ungene e-studio uthi le ngoma engiyenza ngiyowenza ingoma eyodlala egagasini, cha wenza ingoma wena, and then bese usubmit to different radio station. Uma radio station afeel ukuthi lo mculo uya resonate nathi, they will pick the song bayidlale. So enye iphutha abalenza yilelo ukuthi just because ingoma iyadlala kwiligwalagwala, automatically they expect ukuthi Gagasi or Ukhozi or Metro, they must also play my song. And then when you tell them ingoma I playlistwanga, then they're like, but why? Because osbanban bayidlala, we are not the same, the sound is not the same. Njoba ngichaza ukuthi when you scroll through the radio, as soon as you hear ingoma, you can tell ukuthi this is the sound of KZN. Yabo, based on the music that is playing. So that is very important. And ama artist ngiyazi ukuthi any struggle esinayo ile yokuthi bona they are emotionally attached to the song. Ibalekile yena, it's a piece of yena yabo. Mhlawumbe uzowenza ingoma uyidedicatele kuma wakho.
Sure.
So that song is very close to your heart. But thina ku radio asimazi uma wakho. Yabo lento thina sifuna umculo omnandi. So manje wena usufocus kuyi message ka mama wakhohle ukwenza ukuthi ingoma ibe mnandi phela yabo. And then thina sengathi manje si reject umama. Kanti asi reject umama thina. We are saying for a regular listener who doesn't know uma wakho, the song doesn't fit within our station.
Sure.
So if the song is rejected ku radio station, any other radio station bakithi, sicela ama artist angayithathi personal. It's an opportunity for you to go back to the drawing board and improve with sound yakho. And also it's important to listen to the different radio stations and understand ukuthi what sound works with what radio station. Yabo lonto leyo. Then kuzokubeka in a better position yokuthi wazi ukuthi mangabe sengisubmit ingoma, sometimes wena uzozibonela ukuthi le ngoma ifit kule station.
There's no why ungakumuza ufisa omncane ehambisa ingoma kwi East Coast.
Sathi ngiyalapho nami ukuthi yes, you can't, awukwazi ukuyoforce i-East Coast ukuthi they must play ingoma kaSifiso Ncwane, because the audience yabo is different. They don't listen to that type of music and it's their preference. Abaphoqelekile. So what we play as a radio station, we are playing for the listener. Asenzelwe ni favor. Thina nawe siyasebenzisana because uzothola nawo ama royalties, uzoholele egcineni ngosu, you'll get your royalties. So siyasebenzisana, you need to understand that. But umuntu obaluleke more than anyone is the listener, and we can't compromise the listener to please you. Can never happen.
When was the last time you were offered Biola?
Yinle. Yinle.
Biola?
Yinle.
Awuyazi wakazi indawona. Awukazi offer isho ndawona.
Yinleyo. Yinleyo.
Coke drink
uphuza amanzi mina hayi ukhulumani wangilahla wangiqeda ke manje
akekho umculo offer drink ukuze umnyuzo kwabo udlalwe emsakazweni
ba emaila nje ingoma ziya email ingoma lapha station
so ukwazi uyithola nje leyo offer
hayi idrinki
yeah
hayi phuza amanzi mina nawo nikhuluma na into engiyiphuzayo mina
Are you serious? Nobody has ever offered you.
You don't need to mention their
a
name.
bribe ukuthi umculo wabo udlalwe emsakazweni.
So let me tell you something vethu. Yabona mangabe ubuka iradio from outside. There's a lot of stories ezikhona ne. And nami before ngisebenze ku radio bengizazi lezo story. And ugcina une understanding yokuthi this is how things are done. Until ungene ngaphakathi and then you realize ukuthi hayi man laba bathatha into eyenzeka endaweni eyi1 bese bethi okay kahle because of the experience esayithola lapha na kusho ukuthi this is how things are done cha akunjalo each and every radio station there are processes that have been put in place so that as a music compiler awutholi power engako in terms of decision making.
Okay.
Hence why ngize ngachaza ukuthi there's a whole music committee. Asithi mhlambe ke you offer me leyo uthe yini leyo nto leyo uthe offer yona leyo nto leyo asithi uthi uyangi-offerisha ke yona izofika kanjani kula and izothola ubaniyeko ubani kulabantu laba bakwi music committee how does it work mhlambe if bekuyimini decision maker then maybe ke I don't know yabo but njoba ngisho ukuthi even if ngathi uyayiconsiderisha izo kanjani because nansi indaba kufanele idlulela kulabantu and they have the final say and whatever you load on a system is based on lama results aqhamuka la
so akekho kozama
njoba ngisho ukuthi I think nami ngenze kwabanzima ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola leyo opportunity because number one what I've noticed ever since ngafika ukuthi banayo lento yokuthi umuntu mangabe athi thothi mhlawumbe ufonile phone station because yeah station you have a phone ehlele eduze wakho so they call a reception cela music department bafake kuwena bese ethi umuntu evethu ucela ngiphi personal number yakho I'm like no so that's number one already awukwazi ukufinyelela kumina omunye afike reception athi hayi bengicela ukubona music compiler ngifonele reception ikhona umuntu othi uzokubona la ngithi uba loyo unayo iappointment ithini into yakhe why ufuna ukungibona thi why ufuna ukwenza follow up ngithi no follow up yenziwa ngeemail yabo so I think nami ngenze kwanzima ukuthi kuze kufike lapho simply because I don't believe ukuthi ukuze umculo wakho udlale fanele ngibone ubuso bakho
sure
kufanele ispan sakho sikukhulumele always has to be ukuthi ispan sakho sambe phambili so the fact ukuthi wena udecide ukuthi ngizohamba mina ngiye ku radio station ngiyocela ukuthi bangidlalele ngizobanika something in return already it says something about the quality of the music that you carrying with you kwa when you are doubting your own music yabo because if you are not doubting your music you know your music is good thatha leyo mali uinvest uhambe uyenza mixing ne mastering go and book a studio session with a proper producer go and get a proper vocalist if you're a producer but awuna umuntu oculayo get a proper vocalist shaya ingoma ibe quality uhambe uyenza photo shoots wenza album cover in promote yourself kunama platforms manje there's TikTok there's songs that get popular on TikTok ingakazi idlale ku radio
I've seen it happening.
Fethu like industry
kube yona elandela.
Industry bakithi ivulekile. Yazi ukuthi by the time we submit leyo ngoma so sesithi kunini sayilinda. Simply because vele sisebantwini angithi thina sidlante efunwa abantu. Thatha ingoma yakho ifake ebantwini. Ilula nje lento fethu. Kunama platform thatha ingoma ufake ebantwini. Yabo if abantu be reject abona i-public mhlawumbe whether uyifaka ku-TikTok or whatever nanani, it means ikhonto wrong ngoma yakho. Go back to i-drawing board. Yazi ukuthi kuno-producer abatesta ingoma engakapheli ayenze isampuli bese thatha leyo sampuli ayidlale ese-studio poste leyo video ku-TikTok. Ivele trend ayiphelile ingoma already say under pressure mafanele ngiyiqedele sekulula ukuthi afonele ama-artist amakhulu ukuthi kuseyazi kunale ngoma kuthiwa yibo siyayazi leyo sound nami ngeke ngiyipost izinto ngisebenzisa leyo ayiphelele kuthiwa ayiphelele already useyazi lokuthi kusele ngoma vele iyaflyer ufuna uku-activate lapho so usuku i-advantage
uyazi ukuthi yiphi-ke leyo ngoma kumina Mbuso Khoza Lady Smith Black Mambazo no Nduduzo Makhathini khona lento yenza
yes khona lento yenza yes
ngaba bona bese studio yabo becula ndawonye and I was like yes you know and I love that song
exactly have you seen uSkills uSkills ungena ku social media a produce ingoma from scratch alive from scratch and i-response na ama-comments la bakunika i-feedback cabanga usayenza bakunika i-feedback already uyabona ukuthi kuse ngine-hit la yabona lento le abanye bayihlephule yona lo piece wena obuthi wawenza usa-live uthi uyabona sekune-dance challenge ungazi kwenzakaleni ihambe kanjani simply because sekulula manje ukuthatha ingoma uyifake ebantwini so wena thatha ingoma uyinikeza abantu uyifake ebantwini abantu bazoyamkela but the time ifika ku radio thina sobe sesikusiza ukuyi-amplifya ukuthi ifinyelele nakulaba mhlawumbe bangawunaka kakhulu uTikTok nanani but already uzobe usune upper hand so mina uadvise ukuthi abantu abakujwayela ukusebenzisa ama-platform abantu abayekuba lazy bakithi bayokuba lazy.
But would you agree with me, especially you've been with iGagassi since 2018?
Yes. Well, technically before 2018, I think 2017, but ukuthi bangiqashe officially it was 2018.
So would you agree with me mangabe ngithi but nayo i-radio station iyakwazi ukwenza ingoma kunengoma ekidume kucaca ukuthi le ngoma yenziwa iGagassi nobody knew about it they listened the committee they took a chance it was on the playlist and people responded and everybody else started to follow
but angithi committee yoba nabantu angithi
yes
so nakhona the fact ukuthi idlule kwi-committee lafike lahlanya ngayo kwakona isample leyo ukuthi uyifake kubantu idlule kubantu nalapho ukuze ifike sibuka abantu sizwa abantu ukuthi bayithanda noma bayithandi yabo bahleli la ku round table phela mangithi abantu angisho mhlambe millions of people even if wathiwa abantu abawu5 abahleli round table sayithatha sathi nansi ingoma nithini bayilalela baqala badansa ukuthi hayibo yazi yamnandi ingoma yazi yamnandi nanani okay nivota kanjani should we playlist it babhale phansi then we take those votes and we tally them but yes ayingene isingenile and then from there it gets amplified to more people so nalapho isuka idlule kubantu still.
Speaking about that ifika manje lento there are these features enziwa abasakazi
yes
okudlala ingoma from ngizothi an underground artist and get the listeners to vote kwakuthiwa qala dump it or play it angazi manje so ama feature kanjalo do you think those features work do they assist ama artists
if we artist ehlakaniphile iyakusebenzela leyo nto because you are getting feedback directly from the listener yabo so again we're going back to leyo nto ukuthi understand ukuthi when you're doing music you're doing it for umlaleli so mangabe ilokuzana umsakazi it's okay I have this feature and I'm going to play your song ayikazi izwakale ndawo it's an opportunity to test your song to the listeners and they will rate your song ukuthi njoba beyizwile manje impression yabo their first impression of the song ithini if bethi dump it means ngempela there's something wrong
if
bethi pump it means hayi ngempela bayifilile yabo
but does the committee agree with the listener
the committee okay upump it no dump it lo awufani lo we feature no pump it and dump it we committee simply because lo we featuring ngoma yakhe isuke ihamba yodwa lowe committee you are competing with all these other songs that want to be playlisted your song needs to be strong enough
so mangabe ivotoliwe kwi feature isuke izo playlist wayileyo ngoma
kuthini well right now asinayo
you don't have but you had we show Khaya no you saw it top 3
yes we had I feature kanjalo and no kwangabi automatic ukuthi you get playlisted. Kwakuba ukuthi you get ama breaking rights ukuthi yes ingoma yami ivoteliwe winile whatever nani. I process yokusubmit iyodwa.
Okay.
You still need to email ingoma to the music committee and include wonke ama registration details engoma.
Okay.
And that's when mina ngingiba involved khona, where I take the song to the committee decides, and then I give you a feedback. That's the awekho u backdoor nokuthi ngizoyifaka ngodampisi ngoba awukho backdoor nila indle iyodwa
I'm submitting myself.
iyodwa indlela.
Okay. One itching question for me.
So
In commercial radio stations,
yes,
in general, who decides on musical interviews? Untokozo is got a song, then useya we show it for an interview. Uba no decide ukuthi le artist ingeza la for an interview noma ingangezi. I'm asking, angaze ngikuzo kwigagasi, but I've heard in other radio stations, be interviewer artist. But engazizwe ingoma zakhe kulesi stage, and then I ask myself ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani.
Okay, so ama interviews, they are part of the content, and abantu abadila ne content, it's the people abasebenza emoyeni.
All right.
So there's a content producer, there's a content specialist, there's the presenter, there's whoever involved in your show. So they decide by independent, but decide bona ama decisions ukuthi si interview abani, siyenqaba siyayiphasisa lena nani. So if ngenza isibonelo wena as Untokozo submitile music ingoma iyadlala, and so decide ukuthi yazi ngoba ingoma yami iyadlala, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngithole interview eGagasini, but you don't know ukuthi process ithini. So uzofonela uCompiler because uzothi phela nanga umuntu ngimnikeza ingoma idlalo yena. Ufonela uCompiler, "Mfethu sengidinga interview." Then ngizobe sengiyakutshela ukuthi no, for my interviews, you need to speak to all producers bama shows and pitch. Yabo kufanele babe ne buy-in. They need to understand ukuthi what's the content around ukuba khona kwakho. It's not ukuthi uthi nginengoma nginterviewweni. Cha, there needs to be a story around you. So you need to pitch to them. Whether you pitch via email, mhlawumbe ubasha ngebiography. Ukuthi ubani wena suwenzeni usuka phi nani, then they read that and they decide based on that ukuthi okay, is this someone esibona ukuthi umlaleli wethu is going to be interested with story sakhe, because not every artist or not every song ephumayo needs an interview.
Sure.
Yes.
To be honest, there's artists who are big out there and they don't do interviews. Tell me the last time you heard Maphorisa on an interview or Ukabs. Any radio station.
True.
Exactly.
That's true.
But umculo wabo uyaflya. So it's not every song that deserves an interview. There needs to be a story behind. If I say, for instance, we artist and you've been releasing music nana, and now mhlambe you're venturing into a reality show and you need to amplify that, then there's a story behind that. Or there's something mhlambe obutrending ngayo and it's interesting and ama listeners are interested in leso story ukuthi okay, kwenzakalani la. Then you can go to a radio station and say okay, sharp kunento kanje nana. Bese usnika in uthi oh, by the way I have an album coming out. Yabo. But not ukuthi uthi ngizoshaya ingoma and then look for an interview, and then 2 months down the line okay sengishaya ingoma sengiyabuyela futhi for interview. Sithini isitori sakho mawufika uzothini usazositshela the same thing obusitshele ngayo just that ukuthi sekunengoma entsha. Yabo, there needs to be a story. It's content ekugcineni kosuku interview.
Okay. Cool. I think we need to call it a day. Yeah.
I have one question.
Okay.
So we spoke about musical DJs, and when I look at you,
okay,
and the beautiful job you do, I think of a chef.
Okay.
We go to restaurants.
Yes.
We enjoy nyama, and then after that, we give a tip to the waiter, but it's actually the chef who's behind the scenes. So nabo ke abasakazi bayanconywa ukuthi uyayishaya uNtokozo ingoma abanye bayanconywa
yes,
yabo. So actually, it's not a question. It's just saying, well done. You're doing a good job there. So sebeyazi abantu ukuthi mabencoma ukuthi siyayishaya ingoma kumele bathole inamba yakho wena oqondayo wena kumele uqonde. Yeah,
100%. No, thank
Hayi ngiyabonga bafethu. Thanks for the compliments. Thina sisebenza behind the scenes vela sijwayele ukuthi sithola ama flowers ethu, especially because it's the nature of a business. Ukuthi there's people who are at the forefront, who are the face of the business, and then there's people in the engine room, in the steam room, who make sure that everything is functioning. So I'm one of those.
I suppose you don't listen to music when you get home because it will be like you're working.
Kahle yazi ngiyawulalela ke. Actually it's research.
It's research.
It's research. When I'm listening to music, kumina it's research. Khona ingoma engizoluma ngizwa ngithi, yazi le ngoma mfethu. Hey, le ngoma lena ngeke indaba ingekho kwi playlist. Yabona, it's research. So I do listen to music, and also music hayi ngoba ulalela ngoba naku mhlawumbe usebenze kakasini as a compa. Music bafethu wenza ezinye izinto to your soul. Even noma athiwa ukhathele kunengoma ezithile wazi uma wayidlala uzoba right. Even if ngathi uhluthukile emoyeni, even if ngathi uhappy, you wanna sing along emotweni, khombisa ukuthi uhappy. There's music for that. So that's why music is uthanda kangaka, because us accommodates sonke, it's a universal language.
100%. Buti, thank you so much. And again, I concur with Ntokozo, Muhli Msebenzi. Siyawubona, siyawulalela igagasi. We love the music. So keep up the good work. We love what you do. Thank you so much for watching. Like we said, music is one of the biggest reason. In fact, it's the biggest reason people listen to radio in 2026. It's hard to believe because there are so many streaming platforms, but trust me, it is the biggest reason people still tune in to radio to listen. So this is the guy who's behind it at Gagasi FM and many like him in other radio stations. We thank you guys for the work that you do. Ntokozo, it was a beautiful, clean show. Absolutely loved it.
I loved it, and I'm connected with the music compiler. So people can come via me.
You will take what he will not take. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, like. It's podcast radio and stuff. It's Ntokozo Chapa. I'm Dobeko Kuluse. DJ Flair. Catch him on Gagasi FM through his music. Bye-bye.
Yes.